Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In this video I'm going to show you the colored cards in issue cards template article in action and how actually it is done. So firstly, just to say that this issue cards is a predefined template for the reporter plugin and it could be downloaded anytime from here. So this is the standard page of the reporter plugin, and when you scroll down you will see a couple of predefined templates. So this is the issue cards. It is appearing like this, and as a thumbnail here we could see that these issues are colored. So in this video we are going to see how actually it could be done. So firstly, let's download this template and go to our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com, and now go to plugins and reporter. So we are now going to import this template. So here it is, issue card template .yml. Sorry, there was a temporary problem on our demo server, so now it is successfully uploaded. So we have now a issue cards template. Okay, so when we go to projects and then, for example, agile project and then issues, and we try to report them, just mark all of them, and then here reports, and now issue cards. Okay, so when we click on preview we see that the cards are previewed as squares. However, as you can see, they are black and white, so there are no colors here. So we're going to see how this could be done. So there are a couple of ways to do this. The first one is when we are directly here onto the issues list, then we'll right click on some issue and then change the color. For example, we set this task as green, and here the ID is colored with green. So by this indicator we could see that this issue is now changed to green. Alright, let's try to change a couple of more issues. Okay, we could set this as yellow and this one as red. Okay, the second way is by open some task. So when we edit it, there is a color option here, and we change it, for example, to purple, and we submit. So this is task 595, and when we scroll down we see that it is now purple. Alright, so the third way is, in case that you have Agile plugin installed into your Redmine, you could do this directly on the board. So we see that here are some issues that are not colored. For example, these are not colored, these and these. So we mark, for example, 3 issues, and the color is now orange to them. Okay, so we pick some more, for example these, and they are now with color. Which one it could be? This. They are black. Okay, so let's go and see what is the result after our changes. So we see we have now black issues, green issues, purple issues, black again, orange, and some that does not have color. Alright, so let's try and see the report template for issue cards. So we click on reports and now issue cards and now preview. Alright, and as you can see, these are the black cards. These are the ones that do not have color, and there are now yellow cards here and purple cards, not colored card, yellow, purple, red, green, and so on. So this was the video that showed you how to make colored issues onto the issue card predefined template of the Reporter plugin from RedmineUP. I hope this video was good for you and that you are now able to do this thing. If you have some difficulties, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and our support engineers will help you how to do this. Thanks again for watching this video, and bye bye for now.